National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru, I welcome you all to the inauguration of the exhibition Varna Maitri, Rumale Chanvasaya, Centenary Retrospective 2011.
ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕಲಾ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ರುಮಾಲೆ ಚನ್ನಬಸವಯ್ಯನವರ ಜನ್ಮ ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವ ವರ್ಣಮೈತ್ರಿ ಎಂಬ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
I request Ms. Shobha Nambisan, Director, National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru, to deliver the welcome speech.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕಲಾ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶೋಭಾ ನಂಬೀಸನ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Chief Singh, Sri Baswaraju, Secretary Kannada and Culture, Government of Karnataka, Sri Srinivas Murthy, Curator of the Rumale Channabasaya Retrospective, friends from the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great happiness to welcome all of you to the inauguration of the exhibition Varna Maitri, Rumale Channabasaya Centenary Retrospective 2011, which has been initiated and organized by NGMA Bengaluru and curated by Srinivas Murthy. We have held 4 exhibitions in NGMA Bengaluru during this calendar year, of which the last 2, the recently concluded Hebbar exhibition and the Rumale Retrospective, are exhibitions initiated and organized by us. That we have been able to do so in such a short space of time is due to the constant encouragement and support we have received from Sri Jawahar Sarkar, Secretary, Ministry of Culture. Unfortunately, he is not able to be present today because of other pressing engagements and because of Parliament being in session, but he has sent us his best wishes for the exhibition. Sri S.V. Ranganath, Chief Secretary of Karnataka, has been present as chief guest at almost all the exhibitions we have held so far. This speaks volumes for the warm feelings that he has for NGMA. He is also our neighbor. Unfortunately, although he had agreed to be present for today's inaugural function, he was called away unexpectedly and has not been able to make it this time. However, I would like to place on record how grateful NGMA Bengaluru is for all the help we have received from him and from the state government. The exhibition includes 2 large and beautiful paintings from the Cabinet Hall, for which the Chief Secretary secured for us the permission of the Honorable Chief Minister. Besides this, various organizations of the state government have helped NGMA with the Rumale exhibition. The BMTC has sponsored the bus wrap of 2 Volvo buses in images of Rumale's paintings, which will certainly create a stir on the streets of Bangalore and give good publicity to the exhibition. Similarly, the BBMP has put up large hoardings about the exhibition in 10 important locations in Bangalore. I thank these organizations and the state government headed by the Chief Secretary for all their help and encouragement. We are fortunate to have with us today Sri Chiranjeev Singh, who belongs to that fairly rare breed of administrators who have a great love and knowledge of all the arts. In fact, Sri Chiranjeev Singh is perhaps the only non-Kannadiga to have worked as Secretary, Kannada and Culture. He has also worked in Paris for several years as India's representative to the UNESCO. He is fluent in 8 or 9 languages, perhaps more, and is a mine of information on literature, cinema, and the visual arts. I welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function. And thank you for agreeing to inaugurate the exhibition and to release the publication which we have brought out at the time of the exhibition. I welcome Sri Baswaraju, Secretary, Kannada and Culture, who has been extremely proactive and helpful whenever I sought his help during the preparations for this exhibition. He helped us to obtain the beautiful painting of the Tungabhadra Dam from the Venkatappa Art Gallery and the 2 paintings from the Cabinet Hall. At the time of the Hebbar exhibition, the Department of Kannada and Culture had agreed to reimburse the fares of art students visiting the exhibition from different parts of Karnataka. Thanks. It is our request, Sri Basaraju, that a similar provision be made for the Rumale exhibition. I welcome Sri Srinivas Murthy, curator of the Rumale exhibition. Sri Srinivas Murthy is an artist and writer who is at present living in Singapore. As part of his curatorial duties, he has written the long essay for the publication and the texts for the exhibition, in addition to assisting with the exhibition design. For Srinivas Murthy, the curation of this exhibition has been a labor of love, and I am sure you will recognize it as such when you see the exhibition. It has also been a labor of love for Sanjay Kabe, with whose family Rumale Chennabasaya had spent many years of his life. Most of the paintings in this exhibition are from Sanjay Kabe's collection. In addition to being chief lender and having financed the deciding of the publication, Sanjay Kabe has helped us in ways too numerous to be related here. I thank you, Sanjay. Where are you? I thank you for your active participation in the putting together of this exhibition and welcome you to this inaugural function. I also take this opportunity to welcome and thank the heads of the organizations which have lent us paintings for this exhibition, the Venkatappa Art Gallery. I know Mr. Siddhan Gowda is somewhere here. Yeah, thank you. The Vice Chancellor, Bangalore University, and the Librarian, Bangalore University, and the State Government of Karnataka. I take pleasure in welcoming the many persons who, with their knowledge, dedication, and patience, have helped NGMA with this exhibition. The Apex Committee members of NGMA Bengaluru, S.G. Vasudev, Balan Nambiar, Sheila Gowda, and Ravi Kashi, with whom we held several rounds of discussions, Jayadev and Chiku and their team at Resource Communications, who helped us with designing the publication, Parveen and her team at MC&A, who have done an excellent job with the publicity material, Annapurna Garimella, who has done a great job as exhibition designer, Sijo Syriac of Little River Architects, who has helped us in more ways than one, Sri Murlidhar, Deputy Director, Information and Publicity, and many others. I welcome the members of the media and request you to give wide publicity to this exhibition. I welcome you all, friends, to this inaugural function. As you will soon see at the preview, Rumale, who was primarily a landscape artist, was an artist of exceptional and prodigious talent. This exhibition, which will also travel to the Delhi and Mumbai NGMAs, will certainly arouse keen interest in this wonderful artist. As usual, NGMA Bengaluru has organized a large number of outreach programs along with the exhibition. Most of them are in January, but tomorrow at 11 a.m., Sanjay Kabe is taking a docent walk when he will talk to us about Rumale, the man and the artist. NGMA has also brought out a portfolio of 6 beautiful prints of Rumale's paintings. The Rumale publication and the portfolio are both available for sale outside the exhibition hall and in the museum shop. I thank you for joining us today in celebrating the opening of this exhibition. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. I now request Sri Chiranjeev Singh to kindly inaugurate the exhibition by lighting the lamp.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶೋಭಾ ನಂಬೀಸ್ನವರಿಗೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿರಂಜೀವ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ರವರು ವರ್ಣಮೈತಿ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. I now request Shri Basvaraju, IAS Secretary, Kannada and Culture and Information Department, to say a few words.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜುರವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Shri Chiranjeevi Singh Saab, our beloved senior officer and guide in many fields, especially I am glad to mention that he is guiding the field of Kannada culture and heritage where I am working presently. Respected Madam Shobha Nambishan, Director NGME is another senior officer. I am proud to say that I worked under her guidance and always she envisaged a keen interest in doing any work and believes work is worship. And Sri K. Srinivas Murthy, senior artist, and many senior officers who are present over on this occasion, art lovers, media persons, and ladies and gentlemen. It is my immense pleasure to take part in this pleasant evening where the National Art Gallery of Modern Art, Bangalore, has organized the Varna Maitri exhibition of Rumale Channabasvaya. The universe is the canvas of God. He did all his paintings on it, and artist is just manifesting it through art. Art is an imaginative skill as applied to a representation of natural world of pigments of the imaginations. As all of us we know, the Karnataka state is rich in art, culture and heritage. None other than Karnataka we can see so much of richness thanks to the various dynasties and kings who really protected and promoted the art and culture. Examples to mention: Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas, Vaisalas, Vijayanagara dynasty and Mysore kings. In the field of paintings in Karnataka, the great legendaries worth mentioning are Garudadri, Subbraya, Tippajappa, K. Venkatappa, S. M. Pandit, Halabavi, R. M. Hadapada, and so on. The earliest murals found in Karnataka are such in Badami, made in 6th century under Chalukya kings. Next biggest paintings were seen during Vijayanagara dynasty during 15th and 16th century. Most outstanding example of cave paintings is seen at Ellora Caves, again which was the artwork under the period of Chalukya, and which displays paintings of all the three religions. Miniature paintings in Karnataka are found prominently during the rule of Adil Shahi dynasty of Bijapur. Deccan school of paintings emerged during the period of Adil Shahi. Darya Daulat at Srirangapatna depicts 18th century paintings, and 19th century paintings are well seen in Mysore Palace, Nippani and Nargun and Chitrakala Parashat. The School of Art at Andani in Gulbarga, Akki Minejigi at Gadag, Halbavi at Dharwad, Chitrakala Parashat, Venkatappa Art Gallery at Bangalore are few of the art schools possessing a good collection of modern art. Rumale Channabasvaya is one of the serious artists of Karnataka. His mature work are initially emotional and sensitive. Born at Dodbalapur in the year 1910, who actively involved in both political and social changes in the country during pre-independent and post-independent period. He was a political prisoner in Bijapur and also subjected to rigorous imprisonment for the year between 1939 and 40 in Bangalore. Humility is the mark of Rumale's personality. Nature is everything to Rumale. It is romantic, sublime, real abstract. Rumale was single-minded in his approach and modern in sensibility. He is one of the rare and mature artists of Karnataka. The National Gallery of Modern Art, Bangalore, has organized this exhibition of Varna Maitri Rumale Channabasvaya. The Kannada Culture Department is providing all its support to NGMA. In fact, Madam has already mentioned that we are going to extend the benefit to the students of the art schools who are coming from elsewhere to Bangalore in bearing their travel expenses. The NGMA is not only exhibiting in Karnataka but also organizing in other parts of the country, by which introducing the art of Karnataka to the world. I am thankful to NGMA, which is also doing the part of the work of Kannada culture and spreading this message. So I thank you, Madam, and all the NGO organizers for having given me the opportunity to attend this memorable event. I thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. The exhibition has been curated by Shri K. S. Srinivasa Murthy. I request Shri Murthy to share his thoughts about the exhibition.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜರವರಿಗೆ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಣಮೈತಿ ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ನಿಯೋಜಕರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯವರು ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಕುರಿತು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರೇ, ಬಸವರಾಜು ಅವರೇ, ಶೋಭಾ ನಂಬಿಸನ್,